These easy 15-minute air fryer donut holes taste like the real deal, except they're baked, not deep fried. They're golden brown on the outside, pillowy soft on the inside, and coated in a delicious cinnamon sugar. You can even fill the middle with jelly. To make these air fryer donut holes, you'll need biscuit dough, butter, sugar, and cinnamon, and jelly if you want to fill them, but that's optional. We tested this recipe with pizza dough too, but it honestly wasn't great, so we don't recommend it as a swap. Pop open that can of store-bought dough. It'll come with pre-cut biscuits, and a 12-ounce or 340-gram can usually has 10 biscuits. We're going to cut each biscuit in half so you have twice as many donut holes. Pinch and roll each portion into smooth balls, then put them in an air fryer, leaving enough space for them to double in size. Without preheating, bake in an air fryer at 325 Fahrenheit or 165 Celsius until golden brown, about 8 minutes. Then brush the donut holes with melted butter and toss them in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. We're obsessed with recipe testing, so we've made this recipe in different air fryers. As we've experienced before, oven-style air fryers use wire racks that aren't as non-stick as basket-style air fryers. So if you're using one of those, line with parchment and flip the balls halfway through so they brown on all sides. But don't bother with this step if you're using a regular basket-style air fryer. If you want to make jelly-filled donuts, put some strawberry or raspberry jam in a pastry bag fitted with a plain tip. Then gently squeeze to insert the jam into the donut. You want to make sure the jam doesn't have chunks of fruit in it, otherwise it could clog the piping tip. Enjoy these air fryer donut holes anytime you're craving a sweet treat. Check out the full recipe on our site for more tips on how to make the perfect baked donut holes. Hope you enjoy!